Taipei, Taiwan has very limited parking. So most people have motorcycles, or a lot of people have motorbikes. And so every street light looks like that, where there's just stacked up 30 or 40 mopeds, motorcycles. There's a ton of them over there waiting to come. You'll see this group. Here they come. Some of them pulling up on the sidewalk behind me to park. And you'll see sometimes 2 and 3 people stacked up on them. Sometimes got their pets and kids, groceries, whatever. But this isn't really downtown, it's kind of in town. But I'm away from the central area. This is a police station. You can see all the police motorcycles. And all the parking all the way down there. There's your Hope fried rice. We'll wait on one more. Here comes one more iteration. That's wild, man. I let him go. I let him go. All right, well, hey, I'm off to catch some dinner in Taiwan.